Okay. So good morning. What's today? It's Sunday. Day 8. Is it day 8? Yeah, because yesterday was day 7. It's day 8. And we're packing up. Mom's packing the car. And I'm doing what I do best, videotaping myself. And we are getting ready to go to Big Bend, which is another place in Texas, but it's 8, almost, or 6, 7, 8 hours. And so yeah, I'll mostly be in the car, so you get like car updates, and then once we get to the campsite, and then I think we're gonna go to like the visitor center and stuff, so stay along for the fun ride. Okay, so we made it to the campsite. It's 4:06, and it was a long day in the car. But it actually didn't seem that long because I slept a little, watched 3 episodes of NCIS. I watched Pitch Perfect 2 or 3. I watched Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again. And I watched a little, just like a couple minutes at the beginning of Pitch Perfect 2, but I ran out of service. So it wasn't bad for me, I guess, but I don't really know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to like a visitor center. Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the tent out and then take this down and pay for it.
And then I don't know, we don't really have like, we're at Big Bend. I thought my mom was saying Big Ben, and I was like, they have a national park named Big Ben when there's Big Ben in London, and I was so confused. But it's Big Bend. And so we don't really have like set plans here, kind of. Just gonna like tour around. It's really big. And so, yeah. That's pretty much what's going on. Tonight for dinner, I want to have those potatoes. We have like canned potato things. They're literally the best thing ever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah.
Going from San Antonio to Big Bend National Park took about almost 6 hours, 5 hours and 48 minutes. We stayed at Chisos Basin Campground, which is about in the middle of the park. But it's located at 5,400 feet, so the camping was cooler at the top up there than it would have been elsewhere.
Okay, so we're at Big Bend National Park, and we're outside, and I look atrocious today. Like, I'm very hot and red and burnt, and yeah, but it's very pretty out here. Hopefully Mom gets video of prettiness out here. This is so pretty. But I have my headphones in because I was listening to music, but I stopped to make this video. I'm listening to Uptown Funk right now, but it's almost over. But it's very beautiful here. Like, I like sitting in the back, just having my headphones in and like just not listening, just watching everything that's going on around me. So gorgeous. I'm getting back in the car. We're just at like a stop, and the guy who like park ranger at our campsite, he is so nice. George is I think his name. George or Jordan? Can't really remember. Best sparkling water brand ever. Mom, what was the name of the guy? Was his name George or Jordan?
George, the park ranger?
Yeah, the park ranger's name was George, not Jordan. Should be good. Okay, so We're at I don't even know where we are. We're in Big Bend somewhere.
Santa Elena Canyon.
What she said. And it's pretty here. It's very hot, especially because I'm wearing black, and then like these I'm literally wearing my pajamas from last night because I did not change.
It's 108.
It's 108 degrees. That's why it's so hot. Yeah, it's cooler where our campsite is because it's higher. But like, you know, heat rises, but for some reason, at places like these, it's hotter down below. I guess because you don't get as much air.
Because elevation just makes it cooler.
Whatever. But so it's hot down here. It's 108, and like at our campsite, I think it's like 93.
Which is cool comparatively.
Yeah, and there's like a breeze. But once we get back to the campsite, well, we haven't walked this yet. Mom's taking her good old time to get her shoes on. And then we're gonna go walk this, and then
Okay.
once we get back to the campsite, which will take like, how long does it take us to get here? Like 45 minutes. Then Mom's gonna cook us dinner. Nope. Are you kidding? My grandma got me this little sling thing so I wouldn't have to carry my water. But sis is not working for me. Sis. Sis, what are you doing? Oh, because you're supposed to... I got it. Oh, my message failed to send to Isabel. But yeah, so we're getting ready to go. Grandma made us stop at the bathroom. Then we're gonna walk.